it's Allison and I'm here with my new release video for Friday the 25th, I think? I'll look in a bit and put it on the screen if it's wrong, but so I have one kit release and a bunch of new multicolored things to add, not a bunch, a few. So yeah, the first two things are some mini sheets. Oh, apparently I grabbed two of this. So I just have some play buttons, and then they're all glitter, obviously, and then some like Instagram, but I'm just gonna call them cameras because I don't know how the copyright works for this, so I'm just gonna call them cameras and hopefully that's good enough. So yeah, those are those. So those ones will be 99 cents, and then I'm gonna up the bundle that's in the shop probably, because right now I think it's $6.99, so then it'll be I think $8.99. I'll have to check, or maybe $7.99. No, I think $8.99. And then another thing I made is, this one's a bit of weird size, but it's basically the size of two of these. It is flags that are meant to fit perfectly over the flags in the neutral planner. So I have some here, I'll show you. So they just fit perfectly over there, which is cool. And I think this sheet's just going to be $2, but I did two of each so that you would have matching ones for each page, obviously. And then I did quarter boxes that are glitter, so these ones will be $3. And like, not all of them have two, only the colors I thought that would be more popular have two, because there wasn't quite enough space for all of them to have two. And then also glitter half boxes, and I did do rounded corners on these, even though my half boxes usually have square corners, just because I felt like the rounded corners actually look better in this situation. So yeah, those are those. And then here are the kits. So here's the date covers, and I don't know exactly what I'm going to call this one yet. So I guess we'll just see. Jeez Louise, my husband will not stop texting me right now. So here's the date covers and the deco, which is really pretty. I'm sure this will have something to do with autumn or fall because it does have those colors of leaves in it. And then here is the personal kit. So here is the deco. And then the first side. And then the second side. And then I think this is the full kit. So we have got, the full boxes, the sidebar and icons and weekend banner. We have got the bottom washi and washi strips. We've got the headers. Isla, can you please be quiet? The headers and little things. The checklist boxes. And the half boxes. And then the mini kit is this one. So we've got, again, the full boxes, the washi and sidebar. This is upside down. I'm not sure if it really matters, but the got a little piece of paper everywhere. The little things and headers and icons, and then the half boxes, checklists, and weekend banner and all that. So now I'm going to do my plan with me. Thanks for watching. And then I'm just starting in with my bills. And I don't think there was quite enough everything for that, but whatever. So I'm just doing rent and Netflix, and then I decided to just use these label ones on the days where I had like more important bills, I guess.